Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Good to have you here. In today's video I'm going to share with you how I made my yummy soup using oha vegetable and uziza. Alright, if today is your first time, don't forget to subscribe, set your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Okay, so sit back, relax and watch this video till the end. Okay. So I just got back from the market, and then here are the things I'll be using to cook my food. All right. Yeah, so they're actually ready. Here we have isam, which is periwinkle. Okay, here we have crayfish. We also have stockfish. We have kanda. This is tozo meat. No, this is aquara meat. This is dry fish, and this is cow head. All right. Yes, and then here we have vegetable, we have oha, and we have uziza. All right. Yeah, so watch and see, okay, how it will look. So this is fresh pepper. I already had it in my fridge, so I'm also going to use this fresh pepper to make this soup. All right, but first I am going to steam my cow head using my pressure pot. We all know that cow head takes time to get done, but if you want it to get done quickly, you use your pressure pot. So I'm going to boil this meat using my pressure pot before I will sauce the meat and use it. All right. So the sound you're hearing shows that the meat has actually boiled. Okay, if you notice, it's bringing out steam while it's making that noise. So I'm going to off the gas and I'll allow it to cool before I open it. If you open it when it has not cooled, it is really risky because when the water splashes on you, it's really going to burn your skin. So it's important to leave it to cool off before opening the pressure pot.
A few moments later.
Okay, so my soup is on fire. I've started cooking my soup. I've added so many things. After saucing the meat, I had to use it for my soup, and the soup will soon be ready. As you can see, using this soup looking yummy already. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to be adding the vegetables at the same time now, adding the oha vegetable and uziza leaf, and yes, that is it. I can't wait to eat this food. Tell me, isn't this soup yummy? Try this recipe out using vegetable oha and uziza, and trust me when I say you would love the taste. And yes, food is ready. Come and join me and eat. Isn't this yummy? Check out how hot the food is. Yes, thanks for watching. If you've watched up to this moment, don't forget to like, share, feel free to drop a comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Okay, so that is it. My yummy soup. It's really yummy and delicious. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Okay.